everyone, Carol here with another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the checkout feature in the Everspruce app. What is the checkout feature in the Everspruce app? Well, the checkout feature in the Everspruce app was created to help keep track of items that you actually remove from their normal storage area. For example, my friend has asked to borrow one of my board games, so I'm going to search for that board game in the Everspruce app and show you how to use the checkout feature. So I'm going to log into the app, and then I'm going to search for the board game, and she's asking for my Payday, and there it is, it pops up. And then here I see it's in my family room in the left lower cabinet. So I'm going to click on the checkout button, and now I know that item is checked out and is no longer in the left cabinet. And also you can click on the edit feature, and I'm going to use the description line to say that my friend Anne is borrowing this game. So Anne borrows. So I'm just going to make a little description so I know who actually has this game and that it's checked out. There you have it. That's simple on how to use the checkout feature. So by putting the note in the description line, it helps me keep track of items that are being borrowed or that I have removed from its normal spot. So it just makes it a lot simpler if I'm looking for that item and it's not there. I know it's checked out, and then who has it or where have I moved it to. So after, let's say my friend just returned the game to me, and now I want to check it back into the Everspruce app, I just go to search, and then I highlight all checked out items, and you can see all the things that are checked out in my Everspruce app for one reason or another. You know, somebody's borrowing it, or I have moved it from its normal location to a different location. So I just now click on the Payday board game, and then I go down to where it says checked out. I de-highlight it, and now it's back into its normal area right here, the main family room, left lower cabinet. It's no longer checked out. The checkout feature in the Everspruce app is just another great tool in the app to help you keep your items organized. Especially when things are coming in and out of your home, you are able to keep track of that and make a little personal note in the description line, so you don't have to worry and try to remember where everything is going. The app is taking care of that for you. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.